Good morning, YouTube. Morning 2, technically, at
Anvil Campground.
Anvil Campground, Williamsburg, Virginia. We went to the park last night. Had a great time. Got back late. Did some sausages, some sweet Italian sausages, some peppers, onions on the grill. Did some cheese fries on the grill. We're waiting for my brother, Uncle Tom, to show up, and he is going to accompany us today at the park, so hopefully I can ride some roller coasters.
Yay! I'm really happy about
right
that.
now Amy's making breakfast, Paige is talking in the background, and the dog is watching our neighbors pack up.
Excuse my hair. I just took a drink.
Good morning, everybody. It's our last morning in Virginia, so we've got to take everything apart, disassemble camp, and get ready to head out to the Outer Banks. Right now it is about 8:30 in the morning. Amy is sitting outside with Bailey having some coffee, and we'll be out there in a minute. Paige is still asleep. But I'm hoping to get everything broken down and ready to hit the road no later than 10 o'clock. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully the memory card won't run out like the last time I tried to take the dog for a walk. And just go around the loop we're parked in. There are 2 loops. The place is extremely nice, extremely clean. Front desk workers been extremely nice, extremely helpful. Nice little campground, but not our style as far as campgrounds go. We're more the state parks, natural stuff. But yeah, so let's go for a walk. And we're back around. Not a very big loop.